A group under the umbrella body of Coalition for Constitutional and Electoral Reforms called on the National Assembly to pass and send the electoral bill for an immediate assent by President Muhammadu Buhari in January 2021. The group, while addressing journalists at a press conference in Abuja, said the need to have the electoral bill passed and signed next year has become imperative so that it could be tested and used in good time for the 2021 Anambra gubernatorial election. The coalition also pointed out that the bill, if passed into law, will address the deficiencies in the current electoral system by providing for electronic transmission and publication of results.
Electoral bill at first sitting in 2021 as a New Year gift. We have come to restate our unwavering commitment to electoral reforms and to ask the National Assembly to urgently have the bill for an act to repeal the Electoral Act No. 5, 2010 as amended and enact the Independent National Electoral Commission Act 2021, passed in the first sitting of 2021 and transmitted for an immediate assent by the President. Having missed the much-anticipated December 2020 target, the need to have the electoral bill passed and signed in January 2021 has become imperative and most instructive.
What we are asking the National Assembly is to give us a brand new electoral bill, the Independent National Electoral Commission Act 2021, on its first sitting in 2021 as a New Year gift to the people of Federal Republic of Nigeria.
It's important that these timelines be sped up and these activities sped up by the National Assembly, by both committees. And I hope that the overall objective that we have here, which is a free, fair, and credible process that guarantees that young people, women, people living with disabilities, men inclusive, competent, compassionate young Nigerians, whether young or middle-aged, can go to an electoral process that is free, that can guarantee that the best of us in our country is leading the rest of us.
On how important this new electoral act is to the yearnings of Nigeria to see a process of governance that works for all, to see a process of governance that is all-inclusive. And that is why we will not be tired, we will not relax, and we call on Nigerian citizens to continue to mobilize themselves in a law-abiding manner in ensuring that this current NAS give us the bill, the act that we desire. Not just that, to also ensure that the president will have no other choice but to assent to the act.
We believe that this will restore confidence in Nigeria. We believe that we should start on a good slate in year 2021. And we believe that Nigerians themselves will make it possible for the president to sign it. And finally, where we are going on this bill, why we believe that the National Assembly can pass it in record time between now and January is simply because where the 8th National Assembly stopped is not far from where we are going. We had a bill, passed by some of these lawmakers, during the 8th legislative session. Therefore, there is no reason why the 9th National Assembly cannot pass this bill and let us have it in January 2021. So the coalition have spoken, the partners, have made our call on behalf of Nigerians, that Nigerians are agitated, Nigerians are unhappy. The only way the National Assembly can make Nigerians, to be comfortable that indeed we are going to have credible, free, fair elections in future is for them to pass it as quickly as possible in January 2021 so that INEC can in good time start the process or processes for the commencement of the Anambra governorship election.
The coalition, however, concluded that having missed the much anticipated December 2020 target, the need to have the electoral bill passed and signed in January 2021 has become imperative and most instructive so that it could be tested and used in good time. In Abuja, Omole Timothy, Pride News.